Okay, so I just bought a Kobo Libra H2O e-reader for reading ebooks on. And the reason why I bought this is because I usually read on the iPad and the iPhone and so on, but I get some eye strains from the display on the iOS devices, so I need a real e-ink display to read books on. And you know how much I love to read books. I read a lot of books every year, so this will be perfect for me instead of reading on the iPad and the iPhone, so I can read in complete darkness or in direct sunlight and everything on this one. So the Kobo Libra H2O. It has 8 GB of storage and it has a 7-inch display, e-ink, and a Comfort Light Pro. And that's great because then you can read with some night shift mode as you have on the iPad and the iPhone. And it's waterproof, I don't care about that. And it have Wi-Fi to buy books from the Kobo store, for example. So let's start with unboxing this one. And it's a black version. I wanted the black version because the white version doesn't look so good. So here is the e-reader itself. And here we have some quick start guide. And here we have some warranties and so on. And here we have the Apple style of a box, a package. We have only the cable. You have to have your own charger. And this is the old micro USB port. So that's not great. But anyway, we can use any charger with this to charge the e-reader itself. And the battery life is awesome on these ones because it uses e-ink, and e-ink only uses battery when you do the page turning and so on. So if you don't use the page turning, if you have it still and so on, it doesn't use the battery life on it. So that's great. Really light in the hand, I really love that. And we have a rubberized backside of it, as you can see. And here is a power button. So let's press that. Like so. And while it's starting, we can remove the plastic cover here for the e-ink display. Wow. So nice. It feels so nice in the hand. And this one you should also be able to use in landscape mode, so not only in portrait mode. And as you can see here, it looks like paper. I really love e-ink display because it looks like paper. So let's choose Swedish, like so. So now it's in my language, Swedish. So it needs my Wi-Fi now. So let's configure my Wi-Fi. So now I've configured my Wi-Fi network. Now it asks for the date and time and so on. So I think the time is about right. So let's continue. Now it searches for updates. Now it updates it. And now I need to create a Kobo account and all that. So I will not do that in this video, but you have seen this unboxing of this and so on. I will do more videos with this one and how you add the books to it and so on, and a lot of other videos with my experience with this e-reader. So that's about it for this video. Feels very, very good in the hand. And the only port that is available is the micro USB port, nothing else. And then we have 2 buttons for navigating books and so on. And it looks like real paper when using it. I really love that. As you can see, it looks nice, really nice. And it's a bit expensive, really. 17.95 Swedish crowns. on Shell and Company here in Sweden. But I think it will be worth it, actually. Okay, bye.